How to deposit a check with Citizens Bank Mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can deposit a check with Citizens Bank Mobile app. So if you didn't know you could do that, you will be able to do so at the end of this video. So do not forget to like and subscribe. So first, let's head over to this Citizens Bank website where they will show you the steps on how you can do so. So this is a verified step, so you can follow along. Now, first you will need to open the latest version of the Citizens Bank app. So if you do not have the latest version, just head to your App Store or Play Store and update the app. After you do so, you will then need to tap on deposit on the app. After you tap on deposit, you will need to enter the amount of your deposit. You will need to also make sure that it matches what's on the check. Then, after you do so, you can select the account in which you want to deposit. Then finally, sign at the back of your check, and right below your signature, you'll need to write for mobile deposit to citizens only. After you do that, right below your signature, you can then tap on the camera icon to take the picture of the front and the back of your check. After you do so, you can then double check your deposit info, then tap on deposit, and you're good to go. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do so. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe.